couple of songs that we didn't check out this week. And then I feel good to be next week because you know how it goes. Fridays, there's always a job. What is this song that we didn't check out? AMATAFA by Bass. By Bass. I think it's a bass song with MEK and April Young. Yeah. 10K views. Shout out. Oh, Garanto. We really can't tap into everything, chat. We wanna do this. But my 9 to 5 probably it's 7 to 7 now because it's very demanding. Yo. Karana wandona lo kaume mfunu pace no April Young no Mido. Wait. Benganzanga nansika kantu ushon. Benganzanga nansika video. Benganzanga AI video ushon. Yeah, they did. Let's go.
You want new problems. Even though I pop up.
What? Yeah.
Using the new problems. Even though I humble. It's an AMATAFA.
Wait.
It's just me and you, and I care less is fun. Yeah, I run it up every time to stand. Wow, show me I'm tired. Lapa kabali arab. Tabi chaba na macham. Where's the yellow tabi sam? Tiny dogs are sick kids. Always down for the teaching. Hang down to the business. Don't you do it? You want new problems. Even though I pop up. Only I get sada. Using the new problems. Even though I humble. It's an AMATAFA. You saw what papa left your wrong say papa. Okay, but I'm going to get okay. I'll take you in the trata. These are my amigo on the bloopers by your body. Uspana Pama, the Shannon, no one can get
Shout out to Sean Crackle. Sean is actually multi-talented. He knows a lot of shit. But Sean does look like a nerd, so he's that bro who actually knows this thing. Like he has the eye of the whole thing. This bro, like, he's him. For a bro like so young, man, to be so like because he's not tapped into just one thing, but he knows like the whole spectrum. Shout out to Sean. How do I feel about the song? Mido and April Young, that combo, man, special. Mido and April Young combination is very good. It's I feel like they are in sync now at this point. It's like you really cannot like, because this thing is going verse for verse. It's an exchange of verses. You can hear it, and then bass comes and gets involved into that. It's hard to imamela because we are so even for the next rapper, here's my thing. Even for the next rapper who's gonna feature both Mido, no April Young, I think they did that on Orish and Kane Kid, but they are already a combination now. So by buzz tetelele on their own. So we need another combo who's gonna, you know what I'm saying? But who's loyal pace? Who's loyal on this shit? I also want to touch. Hold on. No. For now, part with is only Mido. Okay. I also want to touch a part on Mido. And yes, by Indoni Libise Asanda Records no Mido. I don't know if it's signed there or Kwenzekandoni. Asanda okay. And there's Lendo connector Mido ne Asanda Empires. I'm not sure if it's signed there or Kwenzekandoni. But today we having too much of Mido. and for now he hasn't flopped, yabo. But we've had instances where when we have too much of someone, sidikwe siphele sibuya umva. I don't know uba iza kwenzeka kuye, but I would like us to be careful of that, yabo, because we have a tendency sidikwa fast thina kakhulu. Ndiyayazi asingobantu bane patience, kahle kukhona nabe sebedikwe ndim already. But yeah, I'm just a journalist, so I can't be told. Mido, there's too much of him. I want him to go back now. Just remove yourself, yabo. Asuse kancinci. Go do something now as with quality, yabo. Into quality as okay. Reintroduce yourself now, not just as a kid who's phenomenal at trapping, at changing flows, not just as a kid, but now as an entity. Reintroduce yourself now as a brand, as someone now who's here, not just for the spotlight, because we see what you can do. We see what you can do, and there's a doubt at this point. But Tatana Nomdana, nimsuseni kancinci ngoku. Write down, lock him up somewhere, and he needs to tap in. Makangabiko everywhere. Yeah, we need to protect this kid. Let's protect Mido ngoku. Umninzi kakhulu phakathi kwethu. But of course singabantu abangoneliyo sawusoloko sinento thetha ndiyathetha ke ndiyathetha. Remove Mido now from the makabuye umva kancinci. We are hearing too much of him, sometimes unnecessarily. You get me? I hope umamele ayithathe ngendlela right leyo. Bayayithatha ngendlela right kana leyo yakhe. Shout out to Mido, shout out to Base, shout out to April Young. Nobody babini, in fact. Nobody babini. But for now, I'm still talking about Mido. Shout out, I'll fuck with this. If someone papa.